Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We are just going to start in a comfortable seat. Relax your shoulders. And now turn your head so that your chin is facing your right shoulder. Now bring your chin towards your chest. And bring your chin to your left shoulder. Bring your chin back towards your chest. And bring your head up to center, lowering your right ear to your right shoulder this time. And if you want to go a bit deeper, you can place your right hand on top of your head as you reach your left arm out to the side. Switch sides. And we come back to center. Let's lower our right ear to our right shoulder again. This time, drop your head back. Left ear to left shoulder. And bring your chin to your chest. And let's just keep repeating that. So just taking some head circles to the right. And now switch directions and just take some head circles to the left. Come back to center as you drop your head back, maybe arching your back for a seated cow pose. And now seated cat pose, you round your spine, straighten those arms, tuck your chin in towards your chest, and just keep repeating that. Let's sit up straight as we circle the arms up overhead, maybe touching at the top. Twist to the right, bringing your left hand on top of that right knee, and you look over your right shoulder. Bring your chin towards your left shoulder. And chin back to your right shoulder. We come back to center, sweeping the arms up overhead. And we twist to the left, looking over that left shoulder. Chin comes to your right shoulder. And back to your left shoulder. Make your way into a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Let's take some more of those cat cows, just like we did when we were sitting down. So you come into your cow pose, arching your back, and then cat pose, rounding your spine. And you just go at your own pace. Sit your hips back onto your heels, coming into a child's pose. We end by taking a deep breath in through our nose and let it go. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.